Let's see how to insert mobile not allowed symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, insert your mobile not allowed symbol. First, click on symbol. Now, click on more symbols. And right here, change the font to something that is Seago and UI. And on the subset, make sure that you select extended characters, and you should be able to see the mobile not allowed symbol in Microsoft Word. Unfortunately for this one, I don't have the extended characters subset. However, I can still insert the mobile not allowed symbol by typing in this code. Type in 1, F4, F5, and that is the shortcut key for the mobile not allowed symbol. Now click on Alt-X on your keyboard, and that should turn into the mobile not allowed symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.